What if you could turn basic milk and oils into a highly profitable luxury skincare brand? Welcome to the multi-billion-dollar natural beauty industry. Today, consumers are aggressively ditching harsh, chemical-filled commercial soaps and actively hunting for organic, skin-healing alternatives. And their number one obsession? Handmade goat milk soap. While massive factories pump out cheap detergents, smart entrepreneurs are crafting premium, small-batch soaps in their kitchens and selling them to high-end boutiques for massive profit margins. Today, I am going to show you the exact blueprint to start your own premium goat milk soap business. Let's get into it. Let's break down the math, because the profit margins in artisanal soap making are absolutely incredible. To make a high-quality batch, your raw materials like olive oil, shea butter, and raw goat milk might cost you around $15 to $20, but that one batch can yield up to 20 beautiful handcrafted bars. When positioned correctly in the luxury market, each bar easily sells for $12 to $15. You are literally turning a $20 investment into $250 of pure revenue. So, why goat milk? Goat milk is a miraculous ingredient. It is packed with natural alpha-hydroxy acids, essential vitamins, and rich butter fats that naturally exfoliate and deeply moisturize the skin. By using raw, locally sourced goat milk, you instantly elevate your product from a standard soap to a premium, medical-grade cosmetic that people are happy to pay top dollar for.
Now, how do you actually make it? The industry standard is called the cold process method. You must freeze your goat milk first so the chemical reaction doesn't scorch the natural sugars. You carefully mix your lye with the frozen milk, blend it into your high-quality oils, and mix it until it thickens into a beautiful, creamy batter. Pour it into a mold, add some aesthetic textures on top, and let it sit. After cutting, the soap must cure for 4 to 6 weeks to become a hard, long-lasting bar. Then comes the most important part: premium branding. Use thick, textured paper to create a minimalist cigar band label. Highlight keywords like small batch, handcrafted, and chemical-free. Pitch your aesthetic soaps to high-end local boutiques, luxury spas, and boutique hotels. Crafting goat milk soap perfectly combines art, chemistry, and massive profit potential. It is the ultimate kitchen startup that you can eventually scale into a warehouse operation. Are you ready to launch your luxury skincare brand? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video valuable and want to discover more next-level business blueprints, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English. See you in the next video.